round of applause! Yes!
Sa kanyang pamilya nagmamahal sa kanya at nagtataguyod sa mga kaibigan, sa mga kamag-anak at kakilala. Nawa sa yugto ito ng kanyang buhay, patuloy po siyang pagpalain. Bigyan ng biyaya ang kanyang kinakailangan, ng kalusugan ng pangatawan at isipan. Patuloy po siyang basbasan, bigyan ng biyaya ang kanyang kinakailangan. At patuloy siyang mamuhay ng kaaya-aya bilang iyong mahal na anak. Hinihiling po namin ito sa pamamagitan ni Jesucristo, kasama ng Espiritu Santo magpasawalang hanggan. Sa ngalan ng Ama at ng Anak at ng Espiritu Santo. Amen.
Allow me to share this story of remarkable woman we are celebrating today, of course, our very own Tita Feli Espiritu. Okay, by the way, so Tita Feli was born on May 26, 1950. Tita Feli is the second of the 7 siblings. In her journey through life, she found her perfect partner, of course, Tito Eduardo Espiritu. Yes. Tita, na-miss mo ba? Si Tito Eduardo. Okay, by the way, so, and together we build a beautiful family, blessed with 3 wonderful children. Yes, of course, dyan sila Ate Laline, at dyan din si Tita. And of course, si Kuya Francis. Yun nga lang po, hindi ho makakadalo ngayon si Kuya Francis kasi nga po, nasa ibang bansa po siya ngayon. So, may trabaho po siya. So, hindi po siya makakadating. And of course, Tita Feli is a woman who lives with passion and purpose. Her favorite color is red. Yes, reflect her bold and lively spirit. Someone who brings warmth and energy wherever she goes. And when it comes to foods, nothing beats the joy she finds in serving up her all-time favorite crispy, mouth-watering lechon. Tita, totoo ba? Hilig ba ang lechon? Tita, wala sa itsura mo Napaka-sexy mo talaga. Okay, by the way, so her sense of adventure was taking her across the world. With her very first trip abroad leading her to the charming streets of London. Wow! Talaga ba, Tita? So, first, London. Okay, memories she cherished to this day. But beyond her love for travels and family, Tita Feli was a special talent. One of the first heart with joy and her life with rhythm. She found her greatest expressions through the art of ballroom dancing, of course. Our dancing queen, Tita Feli, a fashion that has kept her young in heart and grateful in motion. And tonight, we're in for the treat because of Feli won't just be celebrated, she will be performing. Yes, later po. Makikita natin si Tita Feli sa kanyang performance. Okay, so, get ready to witness the elegance and energy of woman who truly danced through life, the one and only Tita Feli Espiritu. Yes, once again, palakpakan po natin ang nag-iisang Tita Feli Espiritu. Yes, Tita, by the way, happy birthday. At alam niyo po ba, sana po nakinig kayo mabuti. Just because later po, magkakaroon po ako ng question and answer. Kasi po, kung sino po mamaya makakasagot, meron pong giveaway at token or prizes po. Okay, para po sa konting pahapyaw po ulit. Okay, si Tita, pinanganak noong May 26, 1950. And syempre, ang kanya na pangasawa si Tita Eduardo Espiritu. Okay, at nagkaroon sila ng 3 anak. At 7 po silang magkakapatid. So, pangalawa si Tita sa 7. At ang paborito niyang color is red. At ang kanyang first country na napuntahan ay ang London. At favorite food niya ay lechon. Okay, so, DJ JB? Okay, so ready na po ba? Para po sa dance presentation ni Tita Feli Espiritu, of course, together with her DI, Ryan Aurelio, to the tune of Tango! Wow, once again, palapakalaban natin si Tita sa kanyang wonderful tango!
And it was over until you kissed my lips and you say my hands were strong, but my knees were far too weak. Stand in your arms without falling to your feet. But there's a side to you that I never knew. All the things you say that were never true. And the games you play, you would always win, always win. But I stay there to rain, watch me pour as I touch your face. Let it burn while I cry, 'cause I heard it scream. I feel you here forever. You and me together, nothing is better. 'Cause every time the games you play, you would always win, always win. But I'll stay there to rain.
Wow! Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, pwede na po tayo mag-join kay Tita. Ayan, so sige po, sa lahat po ng mga kontrabisa natin dyan, pwede na po natin, sige po, yan, ang gusto po ni Tita, makasama kayo sa kanyang dance presentation.
Told myself that you were meant for me. You didn't have to cut me out. Think I could never. I know we were nothing. Now I don't even need your love. And some say gonna be so long. Save the dance for me.
In my heart there's a fire, a flame of desire for your child. I'll keep you alive, this glory and love that will burn until you're taken by love.
I saw an old friend of ours today. She asked about you, didn't quite know what to say. Have you been making the rounds round here? I've been trying to make tears disappear. Now I'm almost over you. I've almost shook these blues. So when you come back around after painting downtown, you'll see I'm almost
so may I request everyone to please rise? Maaari po ba tayong tumayo lahat para po sa birthday song po para po kay Tita Feli?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Ayan, so maraming salamat po. Okay, wait lang po. Wala pa man ako po. Siyempre mag-wish muna. Si Tita Feli and Ate Laline. Sige po, so pwede po ba namin marinig ko sa mic nila lang po ang inyong wish? Tita, so okay lang po ba? Yes po. Okay, sige po. Sige po, mag-wish na po kayo. And then sabihin na lang po kayo mag-blow dito ng candle. Okay na po? Okay, ready na? Okay, in 1, 2, 3, go! Yes! Palakpakan po tayo, yes! Happy birthday po sa inyong dalawa!
Kung ika'y magiging akin, di ka na muling luluha pa. Pag akong ikalolokohin ng puso kong nagmamahal. Kung ako ay papalarin na ako iyong mahal na rin. Pangakong ikaw lang ang iibigin magpakailanman. Di kita pipilitin, sundin mo pang iyong damdamin. Hayaan na lang tumibag ang puso mo para sa akin. Para sa
Never love this way again. Hold on, hold on. I know I'll never love this way again. So I keep holding on before the good is gone. I know I'll never. Thank you po.
Ay, natuloy ako, hindi na ako makalakad.
Ayan, so maraming salamat once again, Miss Raquel Espirito. Meron po akong bisita para sa inyo, surprise po. Okay, so DJ JB, are you ready? Ready? In 1, 2, 3, ladies and gentlemen, our special guest, Kuya Francis.
Thank you for watching for me. All of the sleepless nights we lay. Thank you for knowing when to hold me close, when to let go. Thank you for every stepping stone.
Ayan,
For
so,
the path
Oh my
that
God.
always leads me home. I thank you for the time to
yes, hindi ako makapagsalita, promise. Asa si Kuya Ronnie? Ronnie. Kuya Ronnie. Yes. Ito po pinagawa po to ni Ate Winnie. Ibigay mo daw kay Ate Lalaine. Yes. And of course, I would like to invite Ate Feli and Ate Lalaine together with Kuya Francis and Kuya Ronnie sa gitna para isayaw po ang kanilang mga mahal sa buhay. Yes, tita. Ayan. Yes. Ate Winnie, hello. Magandang gabi. Yes, welcome back.
Thank you for every sunlit day that filled the corners of my memory. Thank you for every sad.
Okay, so may I request? Sir, may I request po na isayaw niyo po muna sa Ate Lalaine. And of course, Tita Feli and Kuya Francis. Yes, the dance floor is yours. Yes, pagkakataon mo na, Kuya.
All the love throughout the years, you've been our shelter, strong and true to my heart. This song's for you, from tiny hands to grown-up days. You guide us in your loving ways, a constant presence, always near, banishing every doubt and fear. You taught us strength, you showed us grace, a guiding light in every place. You picked us
I love you, Tita.
up when we
I love you, Ate Lalaine. Happy birthday to both of you.
and answered every whispered call. You sacrificed, you gave your all. You listened when we felt so small. And in your eyes, a love so deep, a promise that you'll always keep. Thank you, Lord, for all you've done. You are the world to everyone, a melody of love and care, a treasure beyond all compare. Your heart, a haven warm and bright. You fill our lives with endless light. Today we celebrate your name, dear mothers. You deserve all fame. From morning smiles to bedtime tales, your love for us never fails. You nurture dreams, you ease our pain. You help us rise and try again. You celebrate each victory you won. You're proud of all we've overcome. And in your arms we find our peace, a love that will forever increase. Thank you, Mom, for all you've done. You are the world to everyone.
Ayan, sa palakpakan po natin. Yes, our special guest, Kuya Francis Espiritu, and of course, together with Kuya Ronnie Quazay, and our birthday celebrant, Tita Feli Espiritu, and Ate Lalaine Quazay. Ayan, maraming salamat po. Okay, sige po. So, okay, sige po. So, Kuya Francis, baka may gusto kang sabihin sa lahat ng ating mga bisita ngayong gabi. Ready ka na ba? And of course, sasamahan ka ni Ate Winnie. At talaga ba? Di pinaghandaan Okay, so asan sa Ate Winnie? Ate Winnie, can you please in front? Together with Kuya Francis. Okay, by the way, alam niyo po ba, tagal kong tinago ang sikreto na to. Wala akong nakakaalam, ako lang. Kami lang po ang nagkontakan ni Kuya Francis. Pinalabas po namin talaga na hindi makakarating at may trabaho po talaga sila. Kasi kakauwi lang po nila. And then, so talagang gumawa sila ng paraan para lang po maka-uwi at maka-attend po sa birthday po ni Tita. Kasi ganun niya kamahal ang kanyang mama, of course. Yes, Kuya Francis, your turn.
Hindi rin tuloy ako. Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Sa lahat po ng mga nandirito, maraming salamat po sa pagdalo niyo sa birthday ni Mami. At una sa lahat, salamatan natin ang ating Panginoon sa lahat ng blessings. Kung hindi po dahil sa iyo, wala ang pagtitipon na ito sa kaarawan ni Mami. Maraming salamat po. Sa iyo, Mami, salamat po sa buhay na pagmamahal sa amin. Meron na sa amin. Meron man ako masasabing hindi maganda sa inyo, pagpasensyahan nyo na yung mga bagay na tinatapon namin sa inyo ni Nanay. Sana huwag na kayo nagagalit kung tinatapon namin yun kasi ang alam namin, yun ang maganda para sa inyo eh. Pero hindi namin alam na hindi nyo pala nagugustuhan yun. Ganda. Sa iyo, Tiche, happy birthday sa kapatid kong nasa na si Laling. Happy birthday sa iyo, kapatid. And advance to sa ate ko. Sa dalawang kapatid kong maganda. Na mas buwang matanda pa ako sa inyo. Siyempre, sa inyo lahat, maraming salamat sa mga taga-Malayo, sa mga tito ko, titas, and Espiritu family. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Masaya. I love you all. God bless for us.
Mami, na-surprise ka namin. Na-surprise po namin ang lahat. Thank you po sa lahat ng nagpunta. Nay, surprise! Pero muntikan po kami makita kahapon nila din sila late sa San Jose. Mami, thank you sa lahat. At sana marami pang birthday. I love you, Mi. At dumating. Yan lang. Sana mahaba pang buhay at maraming birthday pa. At maraming surprises. Thank you sa lahat, Mi. Love you.
Okay, so maraming salamat po. Palakpakan po natin once again, Kuya Francis, Espiritu, and Ate Winnie. Okay, so ngayon naman po, bibigyan natin sila ng pagkakataon na magbanding, magkwentuhan po. Hello? So that's for all po muna tayo. Para po sa lahat, isang po muna ballroom dancing. Yes, of course.
Walang iba ang sasarap sa pagtitinginan natin. Sana ay pinamagwakas itong awit ng pag-ibig. Awit natin ay wag na wag mong kalimutan. Pangako
with Ate Maribeth Sagnip Balmio in Dancing Queen.
Okay, so maraming salamat.
Ren, happy birthday sa iyo. Ang wish ko sa iyo ay magkaroon ng good health, long life, and have many more birthday to come. God bless you always.
Ayan, so maraming salamat, Tita Sonia. Okay, Tita, so picture taking naman tayo. Together with our birthday celebrant, Tita. So, yes, tanggalin po muna natin ito para makaupo si Tita Sonia. Ayan, so picture taking daw po tayo, Tita. Yes, lagay po muna natin dito. Ayan. Okay, so, sige po.
Happy birthday, friend. Thank you for inviting us on your 75th birthday. Ang ganda mo, friend. Para kang hindi 75. Pareho lang tayo. 75 din ako. Pero mas bata ka sa akin, ano? Ang ganda. Salamat at...
Yes. Sige po, Tita.
Thank you very much. And happy birthday.
Yes. Maraming salamat po. So, Tita, picture taking naman daw tayo with Tita Feli. Yes, para meron, Tita, pa-picture naman daw po. Together po with Tita Feli. Okay, yes, ayan. Para daw po may souvenir si Tita. Ayan, so maraming salamat.
My friend Feli, I wish to give you a gift, a treasure that holds some spiritual significance. May this constantly remind you that you are loved, you are cherished, and you are prayed for. May this bring you joy and peace today and always. I love you. And of course, happy birthday.
Yes, thank you, Tita Melissa.
Happy birthday, sis. You are so blessed for being able to celebrate your 75th birthday in the presence of your family, friends, and loved ones. May God grant your heart's desire, all your wishes, aspirations, and dreams. Stay happy and beautiful always. Happy birthday.
Ayan. So, Tita, pa-picture naman daw po ako with Tita Feli. Ayan. Siyempre, of course, for the documentary or a souvenir, Tita sa kanya mga 7 treasures.
Happy birthday, mahal ko palagi. Pa ng maraming taon at dumating ang maraming birthdays. I love you, man. I love you too. I love you too.
Okay, sa picture taking po muna tayo. Ayan, so maraming salamat.
Ay, nire-nervyos.
Changes lang sa kanya.
Happy birthday, Ate Ganda. Love you. Paki-explain.
Okay, Kuya Francis. Ito. Wala ba siya? At itawinin mo.
Happy birthday, friend. Maliliit pa mga anak natin, magkaibigan na tayo. Kaya tayo talaga ang friends forever. Lalo na sa aking friend ng pang-Miss Universe ang ganda. Happy birthday! Marami pang birthday ang wish ko sa Panginoon para sa iyo. Love you. Love you very much. Love you. I love you.
Happiest birthday, Mami. I wish you good health and happiness forever. And we love you so much, Mami.
Happy birthday po, Mami Feli. Pinakabook mo ang buong event floor. Sobrang galing. More birthday po. I love you.
Happy birthday, Mami. I hope nag-enjoy ka sa birthday mo tonight. And more birthdays to come and to celebrate with us. Lahat kami. Love na love ka namin. Stay healthy para mas marami pang event na mangyaring ganito. Lahat tayo. Yun lang. Happy birthday. I love you.
Happy birthday, Mami. Happy birthday to the best Lola ever. Wish you good health and thank you for the love and care. Mahal ka namin.
Happiest birthday, Mami Feli. I speak blessings upon blessings over your life. And sana mas matagal ka pa namin makasama and maging instrument kami ng pagpapala sa buhay. I love you. I love you so much.
Hello, Peli. Happy birthday. Wala na akong masabi sa iyo, kundi wish you all the best, long life and prosperity. Ikaw na, pinakamabait kong sister. We love you so much.
Okay, ate?
Happy birthday, Mami Fel. Nasabi na nilang lahat. I love you and we love you.
Okay, so maraming salamat. Okay, so ngayon, sabay-sabay po natin sisitin. I-assist po tayo ni Kuya Brian. Kuya Brian? Okay. So ngayon, tita, isa-isa niyo po nga ipablow ang mga candle para po mag-grant ang mga wish po sa inyo ng inyong mga nagmamahal sa inyo po. Okay, so start po tayo dito, tita. Sige po, so i-blow niyo na po ang inyong mga candles. Yes, start po tayo. Yes. Ayan, so palakpakan po natin. Tita Feli Espiritu, okay? And now, so dadako na po tayo sa isa sa highlights ng ating mga 7 symbolics.
Take my hand, take a breath, pull me close and take one step. Keep your eyes locked on mine and let the music be your guide.
Won't you
Now won't you promise me that you'll never forget to keep dancing wherever we go next. It's like catching lightning, the chances of finding someone like you is 1 in a million. The chances of feeling the way we do, and with every step together, we just keep on getting better. So can I have this dance? Can I have this dance?
take my hand? I'll take the lead, and every turn will be safe with me. Don't be afraid, afraid to fall. You know I'll catch you through it all, and you can't keep
Even 1,000
us
miles
apart.
can't keep us apart.
'Cause my heart
is
wherever you are.
It's like catching lightning, the chances of finding someone like you is 1 in a million. The chances of
tatalaban dito sa binigay mong alak. Eh, kailangan eh, mas matapang. Ala, matabangin eh. I love you, Ate Fe. My sister. Happy birthday. Thank you for being a friend, a sister, and we love you forever.
Happy birthday, Ate Pel. Basta dito lang kami. Cheers forever. Diba? Good luck na lang sa lahat ng mga journey mo. Second ulit.
Happy birthday, Ate Belly. God bless you. Wish you all the best. Peace. Love you.
T-shirt puno. Bitin. Happy birthday, Auntie. For blessing and more. Long life.
Mother dear, ito na yung pinakamahaba. Message kay Mami. Tatlo lang, thank you sa pagiging si Mami ay loving, understanding, and strong. Sana all mother is strong. Thank you sa pag-alaga mo sa mga apo, sa aming lahat. Thanks sa pagmamahal, sa unconditional love. Yun na lang. Kasi malapit nang chat ko na lang sa'yo ang iba. Love you, Mother.
Si nanay muna. Main, happy birthday! Wish you all the luck. Auntie, happiest birthday. Wish and pray, syempre. Long life, beautiful as always. Ano pa ba, Auntie? Wish you all the best. God bless you more. And happy birthday.
Save the best for last. Save the best for last. Happy birthday, me. More birthdays to come. God bless you.
Ayan, so maraming salamat po sa inyong mga magagandang mensahe. At syempre, hindi makukompleto kung walang sasabangan ng birthday celebrant. But before that, syempre kailangan po, sasabayan natin sila. Okay, sa lahat po ng mga nakaupo dyan, yung po may mga inumin, tubig, juice, soft drinks. So sabay-sabay po natin, itaas, itoast, at say, Happy birthday! Go! Happy birthday! Yes! So let's shot! Hey! Woo! Yes! Hey! Ayan, so maraming salamat po. So sila po ang bumubuo ng ating 7 wine. Yeah, so hindi naman kita nititi kanyang kodiko. So it means, ang gusto daw po ay manggaling talaga ngayon sa puso nyo. Ang pasasalamat at mga gusto nyo parating para po sa amin lahat. Thank you, Tita.
Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat na naririto. Nagpapasalamat ako sa pinagbigyan nyo yung aking imbitasyon dito sa ano na to? Wait. Birthday ko ba? Ganito na lang. I'm so grateful to have you here, guys, sisters, and especially Teeder. Thank you very much for your surprise number. You're the best. At sa inyong lahat, maraming salamat sa pagdalo sa aking birthday. thank you for coming. I love you all.
Tita, baka may nakalimutan ka pang pasalamatan. So, okay na po ba? Yes, okay. So, yes.
Ay anak, thank you so much. At sinurpresa mo ako, muntik na akong himatayin. Grabe. Asa na? Asa na? Nawala. And happy birthday din sa'yo, Len. Anak, happy birthday. I love you, anak. I love you. I love you all.